and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing how the proposed increase to the personal income tax rates will impact businesses. As announced in Budget 2022, the personal income tax rate will increase to 23% for chargeable income in excess of $500,000 and up to $1 million. For chargeable income in excess of $1 million, the personal income tax rate will be 24%, which is also the new top marginal personal income tax rate. These changes will take effect from the year of assessment 2024. In view of the proposed changes to the personal income tax rate structure for tax-resident individual taxpayers, the income tax rate for non-resident individuals that is pegged to the top marginal personal income tax rate will also be raised from 22% to 24%. For the increase to the personal income tax rates would have an obvious impact on individuals. In terms of increased tax liabilities, businesses may also be impacted by the change. The first impact to businesses will be on the withholding tax compliance requirements. Businesses may have withholding tax obligations for payments made to non-residents, including non-resident individuals. This table shows the type of payments to non-resident individuals that withholding tax will apply at 24%, starting from year of assessment 2024. They are directors' fees and remuneration, payment to non-resident professionals for services performed in Singapore, and withdrawal from the supplementary retirement scheme by foreigner or Singapore permanent residents. In view of the impending change to the withholding tax rate on payments made to non-resident individuals, businesses should take note of the following. Firstly, the change is effective from the year of assessment 2024, to which the basis period will start from 1st of January 2023. Common misunderstanding on the effective date includes 1st of January 2024, or the first day of the business's own basis period for year of assessment 2024, if the business has a financial year end other than December. For example, if the business has a June financial year end, the first day of its basis period for the year of assessment 2024 is 1st of July 2022. Notwithstanding that, the new rate of 24% will only apply for payments that occur on or after 1st of January 2023. Secondly, businesses should pay extra attention to the timing on when withholding tax filing obligations are due, especially if any of the trigger event will straddle beyond 1st of January 2023. Generally, the date of payment for withholding tax purpose has a few triggering events that the date of payment is due on the earliest of those triggering events. Thirdly, while withholding tax is applicable on above payments, withholding tax on some of the payments may be mitigated under a relevant tax treaty if certain conditions are satisfied. Businesses should take this into consideration when ascertaining whether withholding tax applies. It should be noted that there are still filing obligations, even if the payment to the non-resident individuals could be exempt from withholding tax under a relevant tax treaty. Lastly, we will suggest that businesses review their contracts in which payments under the contract will give rise to withholding tax in Singapore. If the business is required to bear any withholding tax expense under the contract, the new withholding tax rate that is effective from year of assessment 2024 will result in higher costs to the business. The other impact to the business will be the increased staff benefits cost if the business has a policy of bearing employee income tax. For employees who have chargeable income in excess of $500,000, their personal income tax liability will be higher with effect from year of assessment 2024. In this example of an employee who earns $1.2 million in both year of assessment 2023 and year of assessment 2024, where the employer is bearing his personal income tax, the additional cost that the employer will have to bear is $19,540. That concludes our discussion on impact to businesses from the proposed changes to the personal income tax rates. We thank you for your time and hope that you have found this video to be useful and insightful for you in navigating these new developments, as well as in preparing your business for the impending changes. Should you have any questions, please reach out to us via email at tax@grow.sg. Thank you.